Welcome to Interstride. Our portal provides all the information and tools you'll need during your international education journey. Let's start with the home dashboard. It's pretty straightforward. Here's your feed and access to all the different sections. The network section helps you find contacts in your international student community. Reach out to others for mentorship, job search advice, and more. Topics will allow you to stay up to date on a specific subject. You can create your own topic or request access to someone else's. Go ahead and create a topic for your student club or a joint job search with your friends. Go to Jobs to find your next job opportunity, research top employers, and create job alerts. In the Learn section, you'll find information on upcoming webinars, resources, student services, and country insights. From interview advice to scholarship and visa information, this section has all the answers you need for your next opportunity. Finally, the Tools feature offers career readiness assessments, personalized checklists, and a calendar of events to help you stay organized. Don't forget to customize your profile. This will help us recommend the right content and opportunities for you. Now, let's get started.